What if I told you that type 2 diabetes doesn't have to be forever? Most people think once you're diagnosed, it's all downhill from there. More medications, more symptoms, and less control over your body. But I'd argue that's not necessarily true. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start reversing diabetes in just 4 real powerful steps that work. Hey, I'm Dr. Anna. I'm a medical doctor, and in my videos here on this channel and in my private community, I teach people how to take back control of their life and their health. But before we dive into the 4 simple steps, let's take a moment to understand why this disease shows up in the first place, because the answer holds the key to reversing it. So, most people don't just develop type 2 diabetes overnight. It usually happens very slowly after years of potentially eating foods that confuse your body, or sitting too much, or being constantly tired, and ignoring early warning signs. Eventually, your blood sugar will start creeping up, but you'll notice you start to feel more exhausted. You feel heavy in your body, and that might leave you feeling frustrated. And then one day, your doctor suddenly gives this a new name, diabetes. So you get a prescription, maybe 2, and you're told you have to manage it for the rest of your life. But here's what no one usually says. If you're willing to change a few specific things in your lifestyle, you can do more than just manage it. You could actually help your body reverse it safely and naturally. So why don't doctors say this often? Because prescribing a pill is the easier option, and it's usually the one that gives improvements in someone's blood tests much faster, which is really important. But it's certainly not the only thing that can be done. But think about this. It's not just easier for your doctor. In many cases, it's easier for you too. The reality check is this. Changing your lifestyle takes effort, and it asks something of you. And unfortunately, many people just aren't ready to do that. But if you're someone who is, if you want to feel better, live longer, and get your life back on track and improve your diabetes, then this is the video for you. So I'm glad you're here, because here's the good news. The same lifestyle habits that usually cause type 2 diabetes are often the ones that can heal it. Because it all comes down to how you eat, how you move, and how you rest. Now, let me walk you through exactly how to apply that in 4 simple, powerful steps. Step number 1 is all about eating. Let's start with food, because it's one of the fastest ways to shift your blood sugar in the right direction. Your first job is really simple. Track what you eat for at least a few days. Try not to judge yourself. Just take in and see what's clearly going on. And most people, when they do this, are usually shocked by how much sugar, salt, and low-quality foods sneak into their day without them even realizing it. For example, those M&Ms at work, those chips at the gas station, that buttered popcorn while watching the game, believe me, it all adds up really quickly. And listen, if the idea of tracking or changing how you eat feels really overwhelming, don't worry. Inside my private community, Take Back Your Life, I teach you how to do all of this step by step. But for now, here's what you can start doing on your own. First, you can optimize what you're missing with things like adding more protein, especially in the morning, or reducing added sugar and keeping an eye on total carbohydrates, especially when they come from ultra-processed snacks and drinks. And most importantly, building your meals using my Perfect Meal formula, which combines protein, fiber-rich plant foods, and healthy fats. This stabilizes your blood sugar and it keeps you full longer, which will give you steady energy without those energy crashes. And once your meals start really working with your body instead of against it, you'll notice that everything starts to become easier. And that brings us to step number 2, which is to move. Now that you've stabilized your meals, it's time to get your body moving, because movement really is medicine. And no, you don't need to start running marathons or hitting the gym 6 days a week. But what you do need to do is create a routine that you can stick with and engage in that consistency. So walking even just 10 to 15 minutes after your meal can dramatically improve your blood sugar. And when you're ready to go deeper, aim to include 4 different types of movement in your week, ideally. So that's going to be things like cardiovascular exercise, things that get your blood really pumping and your heart rate up fast. So it's going to be tennis or jogging or swimming or cycling or dancing, whatever you're into. And then it'll be things like strength training. Even bodyweight exercises can really work if you're a total beginner at this. And then doing things like mobility and stretching to keep your body flexible. And you also want to engage in balance work, especially if you're over 60, which is extremely important. Now, why does all this matter? Because muscles are like sponges for sugar. When the sugar is in your bloodstream, it has to leave your blood and go somewhere. And most often it goes to your muscles. So the more you move your muscles, the more you're pulling glucose out of your blood and using it efficiently. But moving your body is really only half of the equation, because if you're not resting and recovering properly, your results really will stall. So let's talk about step number 3. Step number 3 is to rest and sleep. You see, you can eat perfectly and move every day, but if you're sleeping really poorly, you're constantly stressed, and you're just not getting enough hours, your blood sugar is still going to be a mess. Your body needs deep, consistent sleep to heal. That means getting at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night, not just having time in bed, but having that real restorative sleep. A lot of people struggle with sleep. So some tips and tricks that are often recommended are things like keeping your room cool, dark, and quiet, avoiding screens for at least 30 minutes before bed, choose calming activities like reading, stretching, journaling in the evening, and give your nervous system time to recover from the daily stress. Ideally, you don't jump right from work or something stressful immediately to bed. Give yourself some time to kind of unload and unwind. But here's something that most people don't realize. One bad night of sleep can really spike your blood sugar the next day by even 20 or 30 points. So don't underestimate the power of rest. It's so vital for blood sugar stabilization and your overall health. And now let's tie this all together. Step number 4 is to get support. Now, let's be real. Changing your habits is hard. Most of us struggle with this. It is the single biggest challenge of all this stuff. And doing it alone, well, that's even harder. You need people in your corner, not just people who judge you, but people who understand what you're doing and why it matters to you. So whether it's a walking buddy, a supportive friend, someone in your family, even just a group chat or a weekly check-in, you need real authentic connection, because the people around you shape what will feel normal for you. And if everybody else is still eating donuts and ignoring their health and drinking a lot of alcohol, well, it's going to become harder for you to stay on track. So if you don't have that support yet, or if you've tried before but you've failed and you didn't quite have the structure and guidance you needed, then I created something that might help you. It's called the Take Back Your Life community. Inside, I walk you through this exact system in detail. I coach you step by step, and I connect you with dozens of other people who are on the exact same journey. It is a place to stay consistent, accountable, and actually see real results. And if you're curious about it or you want to learn more, there's a link in the description below this video for how you can get involved. So let's see where we were in our discussion. Type 2 diabetes, we realized, is not necessarily a life sentence, and you don't have to accept this slow decline. You can start to reverse it naturally and powerfully by changing just a few key things in your daily life. And the best part is you can start seeing results in just 4 weeks. Don't wait. If you decide to join us inside the community, awesome. I can't wait to see you there. But if instead you're looking to just take these steps on your own, you will really benefit from diving into all the other content on this channel, because I break things down for how you can manage doing all this stuff by yourself. What to cook and why, tips on longevity and healthy aging, videos about weight loss, and so much more. Jump into those other videos and I will see you there.